Thank you, Mr Speaker.
I call Alistair Scott.
Mr Speaker, thank you for the opportunity to speak briefly on this bill. Firstly, Mr Speaker, I'd like to endorse the last member's speech. I was too disgusted to hear the criticism of members in this House based on their religion, their colour, the place that they were born. So that's very disappointing, and he's cast a shadow across his own party. He's done it to himself, Mr Speaker, he's done it to himself, and it reflects on only him. Mr Speaker, this bill gives people choice. And it's quite ironic also, Mr Speaker, that an ex-mayor of Carterton votes against this bill, because he has been, I thought, a strong advocate, a strong...
Point of order, Ron Mark.
Already signalled in my speech we're voting for the legislation.
Oh, yeah. Look, that's not a... These are debating points, and it's a matter of interpretation. I mean, I heard what the member said. This member has a different view. He can express a view. Alistair Scott.
Mr Speaker, the ex-mayor, I should say, of Carterton, criticising the bill in that he was not sticking up for local government. He complained about the cost of putting democracy to local government. And, Mr Speaker, this is a man who's been advocating for power to the people, power to local government for a long, long time, but yet criticises the same bill because of the cost of democracy. Mr Speaker, this bill does give local government choice to open up their stores, allow people to trade on Easter Sunday. It allows them, not even across the whole district, they're able to specify particular areas that can and cannot be open for trading on Sunday. I suggest to the previous Green Speaker, put yourself in the shoes of a business operator in Rotorua, who cannot open on a Sunday, who wishes to take the opportunity to trade, to turn a few bucks through the till so that their family can prosper and better themselves for their families and their communities. Mr Speaker, the opportunity to trade on Sunday should be available to people in this country if they choose, and similarly employees should be and will have the choice to whether they wish to work or not on this day without fear of being sacked or pressured. Mr Speaker, this is a good bill because it allows the local governments to be consistent across the whole country, giving them choice to trade or not to trade, and I support this bill.
The next call is a split call.